Welcome to Dimensional Knowledge Quest. Today, we dive deep into the inspiring journey of Jimmy Donaldson, known to the world as Mr. Beast. Jimmy turned his passion for YouTube into a worldwide phenomenon, reaching an astonishing 300 million subscribers. In 2012, a young teenager named Jimmy Donaldson, who the world would later come to know as Mr. Beast, embarked on a journey that would change his life forever. With a simple dream and a burning passion, Jimmy started his YouTube channel from his small bedroom in Greenville, North Carolina. His goal was straightforward: to create entertaining content and bring joy to people's lives. In 2017, Mr. Beast's unique content began gaining traction with the viral video. This video showcased his exceptional endurance and commitment, taking over 40 hours to complete. His innovative approach and dedication captivated millions, marking the start of his meteoric rise and setting the stage for his future success. Mr. Beast didn't just make a name for himself, he became a legend on YouTube. His channel exploded with jaw-dropping challenges and jaw-dropping acts of kindness. Imagine giving away thousands of dollars to strangers, funding monumental projects like Team Trees and Team Seas, and turning every video into a powerful wave of change. Beyond individual acts of kindness, Mr. Beast's ambitious initiatives like Team Trees and Team Seas mobilized millions around the globe to come together for a greater cause, raising millions of dollars for environmental preservation. Reaching 300 million subscribers is a testament to Jimmy's relentless dedication, creativity, and heart. His journey shows us that with passion, perseverance, and a genuine desire to make a difference, anything is possible. Mr. Beast's story continues to inspire millions around the world, proving that dreams can become reality. Through laughter, tears, and unforgettable moments, Jimmy has not only entertained millions, but has also inspired countless individuals to believe in their dreams and the power of giving. Join us next time on Dimensional Knowledge Quest, where we explore more incredible journeys that inspire and uplift. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to stay updated on our latest adventures. See you on our next exploration.